Ensure that your workouts deliver the results that you want. Follow this checklist for what to do after you exercise to encourage maximum rest and restoration. See how easily you can maximize your post-workout recovery. What's up? It's Ben Emmanuel II with Relentless.com, and in this video, I'll be giving you some post-workout exercise tips so that you can achieve maximum results. Now, what you do after you return home from the gym matters just as much as what you did before you left. That's because the post-workout recovery period is the time when your body builds up lean muscle mass. If you shortchange yourself, you could wind up gaining weight and lowering your performance level. Cool down. Your recovery starts before you leave the gym. End your workouts with slower and gentler movements to help your body transition. Engage in active rest. Individual needs vary, but most adults need one full day of rest and some additional active rest, which can include less intense activities. Try going for a walk or doing some yoga. Stretch out. Include stretches in your cool down and continue to work on your flexibility in between your workouts. Stretching can help reduce soreness in your muscles. Proceed gradually. Trying to do too much too soon can lead to injury and make it more difficult to fully recover. Stay safe by increasing your workout intensity by 10% each week. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, then give me a thumbs up. If you would like to continue to receive fitness and exercise tips, then please consider subscribing to this channel. I took the liberty of creating a PDF version of all of the tips that I went over in this video, along with some additional nutritional tips for post-workout recovery. The link is in the description below. You guys have a great day. I'll see you next time.